Are you looking for the best mirrorless cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mirrorless cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix S5 IIIX. Sporting a 24.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor, the Panasonic Lumix S5 IIIX is a great mirrorless camera in all aspects. It's the first in the Lumix line to boast phase hybrid AF, which delivers fast, accurate autofocusing performance across 779 phase detection points. Its new sensor design, coupled with an enhanced processor, allows the camera to record up to 6K video for 30 minutes and unlimited 4K video recording. The S5 IIIX also offers an innovative active IS system optimized for video, supporting walking shots for advanced image stabilization. The S5 IIIX camera is no less exceptional when it comes to video features, loaded with HDMI raw video data output, USB SSD recording, all-intra recording, and ProRes recording. For live streaming, it offers wireless IP streaming, USB tethering to smartphones and wired IP streaming. Featuring an all-black design, the camera body houses sensor shift stabilization technology and supports a high-resolution mode to generate 96 MP RAW or JPEG files from 8 separate exposures. For videographers needing to capture high-resolution slow-motion video, the S5 IIIX supports 120p video capture, with raw HDMI output possible via an optional license upgrade. All these features combined position the Panasonic Lumix S5 IIIX as an exceptional tool for both stills and video. Number 2. Sony ZV-E10 II. With a 26-megapixel APS-C XMR CMOS sensor, the Sony ZV-E10 II can record up to UHD 4K at 30 frames per second and in Full HD at 120 frames per second. With 759-point fast hybrid autofocus, it offers real-time eye autofocus and tracking, so you're sure your subject's in focus. The ZV-E10 II has a headphone and a microphone port. Having both is not typical for cameras under $1,000. With them, you can use an external microphone and listen to what you are capturing. This will greatly improve your ability to get clean and clear audio. Lastly, it offers a free angle tilting touchscreen LCD, making it great for vloggers. Number 3. Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that can record up to UHD 4K at 30 frames per second. It also features a fast and accurate autofocus system. For those wishing to shoot in full auto mode, the R50 offers advanced A+ assist. With it, the camera analyzes the scene and automatically sets the optimum settings. This makes full auto images easier to capture with better outcomes. Additionally, you can use the camera as a webcam. All you need is a USB cable. The camera plugs directly into your computer. So, if you need an affordable camera for online video, you can't go wrong with the Canon EOS R50. Number 4. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a great camera for videographers who also shoot photos. It features a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and a DigicX image processor. It also has an ISO range of 100/102400. And, while Canon isn't necessarily known for its low-light performance, the R6 Mark II's low-light performance is impressive, introducing no noise until ISO 12800. Its raw burst mode in pre-shooting capture up to 30 frames per second. Additionally, the R6 Mark II can oversample 6K to 4K at up to 60 frames per second. Plus, it features in-body image stabilization with up to 8 stops of shake correction with coordinated control IS. So, if you're looking for a hybrid camera, the Canon R6 Mark II is a great option. Number 5. Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor that can record up to UHD 4K at 30 frames per second. It also features a fast and accurate autofocus system. For those wishing to shoot in full auto mode, the R50 offers advanced A+ assist. With it, the camera analyzes the scene and automatically sets the optimum settings. This makes full auto images easier to capture with better outcomes. Additionally, you can use the camera as a webcam. All you need is a USB cable. The camera plugs directly into your computer. If you want a great camera but want to save some money, the Nikon Z30 is a great option.